Hey there everybody, what's going on? My name is Stackin' and Clackin' and welcome to the first video of silver on my channel. Now today I went to my local coin store and I wanted to pick up a bunch of silver. So I made a $260 silver purchase today, and you guys are about to see what all I found. Now first off, this is a little 1 ounce round. He had them for $30 a piece because they were like scratched up or like, you know, worn or whatnot, but they're still an ounce of silver, and I'm like, you know what, I'll pay for it. I wasn't gonna pay an extra buck to get some that were like really shiny. I don't really care about the shininess, I care about the silver content. Now this one was cool. It's a 1994 Luminous, I think is what it said, Avalon. If you guys know anything about these rounds, where they came from, let me know in the comments, because I know nothing, and you know, I'd like to get some knowledge on where these came from. This is a 1994 Christmas round. Looks like there's a little ornament on the front. It's 999 1 troy ounce, and it says peace on earth on the front. I thought that was really cool. I ended up getting a lot of Christmas ones. My local coin store said that he got them from a buddy of his, and I was like, wow, well that's cool, because I saw a lot of Christmas rounds. I was like, wow, this guy got a lot, and I was barely seeing anything that wasn't Christmas rounds, especially like, you know, in the case that he had them for $30 a piece. But this one's a Liberty Centennial Celebration. That seemed kind of cool itself. Once again, I don't know anything about that coin, but this one is a 1993 as well. This is a another Christmas one with a lion and a lamb with it said peace. I thought that was really neat. I really like that one. And then for the last generic round that I got, this one was just, I don't know, it says World Trade on it. I thought that was actually kind of cool. And then it has like you know, just coinage and then like stuff you would trade for, like I think that was a plant or something on it. And then I picked up some constitutionals. I got a 1946 Rosie to start off. I dropped my Barber. I had a Barber and I dropped it on the floor at the beginning of this video. I didn't realize it, and when I recorded the video I was like, oh man, where is it? And I couldn't find it. But anyways, I got a Barber on the floor. It's a 1912, and then this is a 1916 Denver quarter, and usually I'll take them out of their plastic or their cardboard capsules, but I was like, this thing looks too good, I'm gonna put that to the side. I love that thing. And this is a 1916 Barber, so I did get 2 Barber Dimes today. I'm a sucker for the Barbers. I love Barbers, and also I love my walkers and my seated. Oh my goodness, this is my first dime that is a seated Liberty 1876, and I'm super excited about that. I took this one out of the cardboard flap because it is just so worn, but it's very beautiful. And today I've made my first silver dollar purchase. I've never bought them before. This is a 1882 Morgan silver dollar. I've never bought them before, and I'm super excited to have my first silver dollar. And I was so excited to have my first silver dollar that I went ahead and bought not only one, but a second Morgan silver dollar. This is a 1879, and the other one's a 1882. But with this one has a mint mark on the bottom. Let's see where that mint's from. And it is from San Francisco. Just kidding. But yeah, San Francisco mint, Morgan silver dollar. Super excited about that as well. Just adding to the stack, 1 ounce at a time, doing my best. I hope you guys did enjoy. I do have some more videos coming out soon with silver unboxings. If you guys would like to see that, make sure to smash that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It will really help me out starting my channel. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.